Horses out, King Patrick gets away immediately. Down on the inside, business class, Pros and Margarita moving a party outside, Super Wind. Don't explain, then followed by Barkadahan, Big Bang Bong, Grand Fiesta, Blue Shake. Down on the inside is Slim Princess alongside is Claim My Prize, and South Pearl is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, business class doing the distance and the proceeding by Avaralenka. And on the outside is Super Win, Pros and Margarita is racing in third. King Patrick is racing in fourth. Grand Fiesta, Big Bang Bong, Barkadahan, Blue Shake, South Pearl, Slim Princess, Claim My Prize, and Don't Explain racing in last. Meanwhile, we have Super Win by Avaralenka and Hapa. And in second is Business Class, Pros and Margarita now trying to get closer. King Patrick, so as moving up is Big Bang Bong. Super Win by only Alenka, Pros and Margarita. King Patrick, a threatening presence on the outside. Big Bang Bong is running by Drell as they come down at the last 150. King Patrick now takes the lead. Super Win, Big Bang Bong, Pros and Margarita. It's now King Patrick by Avaralenka. Big Bang Bong is down on the inside, but it's still King Patrick. Big Bang Bong is down on the inside. It's now Big Bang Bong, and finally Big Bang Bong. King Patrick, Blue Shake, Pros and Margarita. Then comes Barkadahan.
Shoot sa tabing balya, yung ating second choice na si Big Bang Bong.